Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you exactly how to update your Notion Pokemon templates, whether you're using the complete Pokémon TCG Collector's Gallery or the Deck Builder and Tournament Tracker. We've made the update process as easy as possible. We've already done most of the hard work for you. Instead of replacing your entire template, which would risk deleting your collection or deck info, you will simply move the new content into your own existing setup. This way, all your personal data stays safe and intact. Go to Gumroad, the link is in the description, and download the newest version of the template. Have your current version open where your own data lives and also open the new version you just downloaded. Go in your new downloaded version to the Pokemon card sets database. Click on the sets that are new for you and move them to your old database. After this we go to the Pokemon card database. Here you sort them at number list, so all the new cards are on top. Click on the left side of the number list and check if all the cards that are selected are new. If so, click on the three dots and move them to your old database. You probably have to do this like 3 or 4 times, because they can only select like 50 to 100 cards at a time. Keep in mind to check if the right cards are selected. After a few times, this option won't be possible anymore because it will also select cards you don't need. So the last cards you need to select on your own. If you want an extra overview and an easy way to choose for options like collected, then I can show you how to add this possibility. Choose for inline table, link your Pokemon card database, filter on the white flare set, choose for gallery, card preview, card image, fit image, property visibility, name, rarity, favorite card, and collected. And you can also add other properties if you want, and we also change the name to the database set. For sort, we use card number. And now if you collected a new card of a set, you can just click on the set and click on the button collected. When we go back to the Pokemon card database, it's important that all of your new added cards are added to a set. If your new cards are not automatically added to a set, you can do it over here. Check all the cards which are from the same set. Then there's a little trick. You can just add the card on the above to a new set and you can bring it all down, so you don't need to do it individually. If you own the Pokémon TCG Deck Builder and Tournament Tracker, make sure to download the newest version on Gumroad and move the sets and the cards from that newest template to this one, because it's not possible to move cards from the tournament collector to this template. We will make sure to update the templates as fast as possible when there are new sets coming out. Thank you guys so much for purchasing the template, and you will help us out so much to give a review on Gumroad. Good luck on your Pokemon journey.